Hello everyone. My husband just helped me move this container that was sitting under one of the shrubs. I even forgot about this. I used it as a spring container once, I think last year, and then I forgot about the daffodils here. And then I used it for other stuff. And while I was checking the garden a while ago, I saw it under one of the shrubs, and the daffodils are already up. So I asked him to move it here on the table. So I'll just try to clean it up, and I'll try to make a spring container. It's still quite cold, but they like it cold anyway. The daffodils like it cold, and the primrose like it cold. So I'll just try to arrange it. I have to get my gloves and just plant those 2 plants that I got from the nursery, and then we'll see.